The price will go up in few minutes. Set the stop loss at the middle line here. Then set the take profit 2 times above the stop loss. We will enter our first buy trade here. It's time to see how this trade performs. This trade turned out to be profitable in just few minutes. What an amazing scalping strategy! Hey traders, welcome to the Hyper Trade YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you the best 1-minute scalping strategy. The strategy I will be using this time is triple MS scalping strategy. You can use this strategy with any kind of market, such as Forex, stocks, cryptocurrency, or even gold. The ideal time frame for this strategy is 1 or 5 minutes, but I prefer 1 minute because it is much faster. This strategy is easy to use, especially for beginner traders. Anyone can start trading and make profits with this strategy. Watch this video until the end to see how much profit we can make just by using this strategy. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the Hyper Trade YouTube channel so you don't miss out the new strategies from Hyper Trade YouTube channel. In this strategy, we will need 3 moving average exponential or EMA indicators with 3 different lengths. If you don't know how to add these indicators, please follow me adding these indicators from TradingView. Our first indicator will be moving average exponential with the length of 20. You can find the indicator in TradingView just by typing moving average exponential in the TradingView indicators list. Add this indicator to your chart. Don't forget to change the length to 20. The second indicator is moving average exponential with the length of 60. The TradingView indicator name is still same like before. It is moving average exponential. Add the indicator to your chart. This time we need to change the length to 60. Our final indicator is moving average exponential with the length of 100. It is still the same moving average exponential indicator that you can find in the TradingView. Add the indicator to your chart. This time we need to change the length to 100. As you can see, this is how our chart looks like after we added all the indicators needed for this strategy. As we can see in our chart, now we have all the indicators needed for our first trade. If you forget about it, we are using 3 moving average exponential indicators. You can go back to the indicators section to see what indicators we are using. Okay, let's get into our first buy example. To summarize our buy conditions, I'd like to simplify them as 3-step conditions. First, the price must in uptrend. Second, the price must pull back to upper or middle line. Lastly, the price must cross above the upper line. Please pay attention or feel free to pause the video when you have any difficulties. First, the price must be in uptrend direction. As you can see in our chart, the 3 moving averages are positioned in parallel, this indicating that the price is moving in uptrend direction. We can get to our next step. Our next step is to wait until the price touch or cross the upper line or the middle line from above. This is called as pullback, where the price corrects itself after going up for a while. But if the price crossed the bottom line, our conditions are no longer valid, which is we can't continue. This time we can get into the next step because price pulls back until our upper line. Our final step is to confirm that our trade will be high probability. To do that, we need to wait until the price crosses above our upper line. As you can see in our chart, the price just crossed over the upper line. It's time to open a buy signal. Set the stop loss at the middle line here. Then set the take profit 2 times above the stop loss. We will enter our first buy trade here. It's time to see how this trade performs. This trade turned out to be profitable in just few minutes. What an amazing scalping strategy. Now you just understand our buy conditions. Let's move into our second buy trade. The previous trade turned out to be profitable, but that's not enough to prove this strategy profitable. We have prepared our second long trade here. As you can see, the price is in uptrend direction here. We will need to wait until the price touches the upper or middle line. As you can see, it just happened. Then wait until the price crosses above the upper line. As we expected, the crossover just happened and will be our second buy trade. Set the stop loss at the middle line here. Then set the take profit 2 times above the stop loss. We will enter our second buy trade. Let's see how this trade performs. We just found this strategy has a high profitability, but so far we have only tested the buy trades. We can still maximize the potential of this strategy by adding rules for short trades. Let's move into example short trades. This will be our first short trade example. Our conditions is actually a reversed version of our long conditions. The price must in downtrend direction. Then wait until the price touches the bottom or middle line. Then wait until the price crosses below the bottom line. We have prepared our first short trade here. As you can see, the price is in downtrend direction here just by looking at the 3 lines facing down in parallel. Wait until the price touches the bottom or middle line. Then wait until the price crosses below the bottom line. As you can see here, the crossover happened and we will enter our first short trade. Set the stop loss at the middle line here. Then set the take profit 2 times below the stop loss. We will enter our first short trade. Let's see how this trade performs. This trade just turned out profitable in just few minutes. What a great scalping strategy. Enough with the first short example. Let's move into our second short example. We have prepared our second short trade here. You can see clearly that the price is in downtrend direction. Wait until the price touches the bottom or middle line. Then wait until the price crosses below the bottom line. As you can see here, the crossover happened and we will enter our second short trade. Set the stop loss at the middle line here. Then set the take profit 2 times below the stop loss. We will ride the trade here. Let's see how this trade performs. This trade just went profitable in just few minutes. Very great. We've just discovered a highly profitable trading strategy, both for long and short trades. However, traders should not rely solely on these results. Instead, they should backtest the strategy first with historical market data. Backtesting usually takes around 100 trades to be completed. After backtesting is done, if the strategy is still profitable, traders can move on to paper trading. Paper trading is a trading simulation where traders can practice buying and selling without risking any real money. If they win a trade, they don't make any money. But if they lose, they don't lose any either. There's a lot that goes into this strategy, such as backtesting it up to 100 trades and streaming my paper trades live. If you're interested in seeing the results, consider subscribing to the Hyper Trade channel. Thanks for watching.